Hi, I'm Joe from Cleanstar. I'm here today introducing to you the Cleanstar handheld vacuum cleaner and blower. Introducing the unit to you, you have an easy operating on-off switch, a 4-metre cord. For vacuuming, you have hose, 2 wands, crevice tool and a dusting brush. When the unit needs emptying or cleaning, press the button at the side, remove the canister, remove the filter, brush the filter off, empty the unit itself, replace the filter, bottom clips on, locks into place. You have an exhaust filter at the rear of the machine that needs to be taken off, cleaned, wiped, placed back in. Also at the back of the machine we have an attachment for when you want to use it as a blower. Into there then you have the attachments for doing any type of blowing or a balloon fitting if you want to blow up balloons. So there you have it, the Cleanstar handheld vacuum cleaner and blower.